Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number 1 in best punching bag list is Outslayer Filled Punching Bag. The Outslayer boxing and MMA heavy bag were designed to take a beating more so than a standard punching bag. While you may notice others have normal wear and tear over time, Outslayer works to avoid this and even offers a 10-year warranty to protect you from any unsuspected damage to the bag. You can rely on them for a bag that truly is durable beyond your expectations. It has a body length of 55 inches and another 6 inches of straps, while the diameter is about 14 inches. Because the design features heavy-duty straps sewn onto the punching bag, no chains are needed. We select Combat Sports 100-pound Muay Thai as second in list. If you're looking for a good punching bag to throw some heavy leg kicks, as well as use your hands, then try Combat Sports Muay Thai 100-pound heavy bag. The extra length of the bag allows you to throw those super low kicks. The bag is solid and made of durable synthetic leather construction, and because the 100 pounds is spread out across the longer bag, your hands won't feel the blow quite so much. Our third best punching bag is Century Bob XL with base unit. If you want something that is lifelike, think self-defense training, try the Century Bob XL. It's better than the rest because the freestanding heavy bag has not just a head on a post, but features the head along with the entire torso, so you'll get more striking surface for head or body shot training. The body is made of high-strength plastisol and is filled with a urethane foam that creates a very realistic feeling when punching. The base can hold up to 270 pounds of water or sand. There are multiple height settings, and reviewers have noted that it is easily transportable. Our fourth pick is Everlast On The Flex Freestanding Bag. The Omniflex freestanding punching bag features a low-profile base design, an OmniFlex neck for the best impact absorption, while keeping base movement to a minimum. When filled with water, the bag weighs about 130 pounds. One of the most notable features is the semi-soft absorbent foam inside that bag, so you can punch hard over and over without your hand getting sore, thanks to the cushion effect. Our last one is Century Original Freestanding Heavy Punching Bag. This bag is perfect for someone who is just getting into training with a punching bag or a heavy bag. Its adjustable height allows for great versatility, so you can train punches, speed, footwork, kicks and grappling.